Listen, some of y'all been trying to fix y'all credit for months, maybe even years, and nothing is moving. This is the video you've been needing, because today I'm exposing the truth about credit repair in 2026. The truth that most people don't know and most companies will never tell you. My name is Brianna. I'm the CEO of Maximum Approval, and for the last 6 years, I've helped thousands of people remove negative items, increase their credit scores, secure funding, buy homes, buy cars, and change their entire lives. So let's really get into what's holding you back, because it's not what you think. You probably heard this one before. Credit bureaus investigate everything thoroughly. No, they don't. Here's the truth. Credit bureaus process millions of disputes automatically, not manually, not carefully, automatically. Meaning your dispute is usually scanned, filtered, categorized, and sent right back to you with a generic response. This is why most people don't see results, because they're treating the credit bureaus like they judges or investigators. They are not. They are data warehouses. And when your data is wrong, you have the legal right to demand corrections, but you need to know how to ask properly. That's where most people fail. Most people send out the same templates they found on Google or TikTok. Guess what? The bureaus had those templates too. Their system literally flags them as frivolous. So here's the truth. Generic letters don't work no more. Mass produced templates, they don't work no more. Copy and paste letters, they don't work no more. But what does work? Something I call factual disputing. That means pointing out specific factual inconsistencies inside the account. Wrong dates, wrong balances, wrong statuses, missing notices, reporting violations, reinserted items, creditor inconsistencies. When you do that, the bureaus are legally required to investigate. And that is when things get deleted fast. It's not just negative items keeping your score low. It's almost always old addresses, incorrect personal info, name variations, mixed files, outdated employers, incorrect phone numbers. When your personal information is messy, any wrong debt can get attached to your credit report. This is why at Maximum Approval, the very first thing we fix is the personal information section. It's the foundation. If your foundation is cracked, your entire report is unstable. You probably seen, we could fix your credit in 30 days, guaranteed deletions, rapid rescoring miracle fix. Let me make this very clear. It is possible to get fast results. The truth depends on the type of negative item, the bureau, the creditor, the reporting inconsistencies, the age of the account, and whether the account violated the FCRA. I've seen collection accounts deleted in as fast as 7 days. I've seen charge-offs take a few months. It's not a one-size-fits-all process, but what makes Maximum Approval different is that we don't send random letters. We send strategy. We send legal leverage. We send precision. We send pressure. Yes, sometimes you should stop sending letters. If you've been disputing the same item for months unsuccessfully, the bureau already sees you as frivolous. At that point, here's what it is that you need to use. Write this down. CFPB, BBB, State Attorney General, creditor investigators, method of verification demands. These are all legal tools you can use. And these are all real strategies my mentorship students learn step by step. The credit system is confusing because it was designed to be confusing. But when you start to understand the laws, when you understand reporting structures, when you understand how to legally challenge inaccuracies, you become powerful. And your credit reflects that power. If you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're tired of sending letters that don't work, if you're tired of being denied for homes, cars, funding, apartments, let my team take over. Click the link in the description. You can receive a free consultation at Maximum Approval. Or you can download my free audit credit checklist. This is the exact checklist that my team uses to identify fast deletions. Welcome to Maximum Approval, where you get results.